Hello everyone, this is our app Reciplan. We are just right now going to show a demo. As you can see, this is our login screen. We can just log in with Google. An account is already created. And right now it just goes into the Google. Now my partner will show a bit about how the homepage and everything works.
Yeah, so as you can see, we fetch from our Firebase a bunch of recipes that have already been stored on here. We can click onto the recipes and see a bunch of details regarding them, things like the instructions, the specific ingredients, and when we're in a recipe, we can go ahead and check off everything that we've gathered. And if you go back to our homepage, we can also like specific recipes. So when we go onto our liked recipes, they will appear. Now, when we're inside of a recipe that we have created, we can also edit that recipe. So if we go into this recipe here,
and go back.
We go here, click here, we can edit our recipe. So for example, if we wanted to change it from accordion potatoes to something like accordion potatoes and chips, we can make that change. And let's say you wanted to also delete one of the ingredients. For example, maybe you're allergic to salt or you have, high BP, you can get rid of the sea salt. And then we can save. We can make other changes too. Like for example, now that we've gotten rid of the sea salt, maybe our calories go down to something like, 250. And we can save these changes. And now when we go back into that recipe, all the changes will be reflected. Now my partner will go ahead and show you how the TikTok to recipe pipeline works.
Yep, so as you can see, we have a bunch of TikTok recipes open on the side. So we'll just pick one randomly. Let's take this one. We'll just get the link from the video. And if we go on the app, we say add from TikTok. We add the link, create recipe draft. As you can see, we get an estimated time of how long it will take. The LLM is generating. It's parsing through the video. It's checking the description, seeing if it needs to do OCR or any other types of calculations. From this video, I think the information isn't here, so it might need to do some OCR or speech to text recognition. So we'll just skip through this part and you can see.
And as you can see, the recipe details were created. We get a bunch of information that we extract from the TikTok video, things like the prep time and the ingredients. And you can also modify the ingredients in place here instead of editing it after you created the recipe.
We can change it to 2 red pepper instead of 1. We love red pepper. Instructions, you can see all of the instructions that were added. It's a very simple recipe. So meat sauce with baked potatoes, and we just approve it and it will be published.
And we get the thumbnail from the TikTok video.
We also have this is an estimated nutrition. If the video uploader gives it, then it's taken from there. If not, we use LLMs to give a ballpark of what the nutrition per serving would be. Mm-hmm. And there are also tags such as Italian, comfort food, baked to make the searching easier. You can see it's loaded into the app, and that's pretty much the recipe pipeline. You can see you can also create a recipe from scratch. And other than that, our app also has the basic account features. You can change your username. You can see how many recipes.
Yeah. And
thank you for watching our demo.
Thank you for watching our demo.